G'day everyone, the Global Surveyor. I'm out here, a place called Angus today. It's sort of Sydney's west, sort of towards Windsor. And as you can see, I'm surrounded by scrub, which is, it's just a fantastic place to be. It's a Friday afternoon. Where else wouldn't you want to be? You know, you could be stuck in an office, you could be stuck in traffic. Well, I'm stuck out here under this paperbark tree. And mobile phone reception is not brilliant here where I am, and I'm using my Leica GS18 GPS and the CS20 controller. I've recently upgraded my SmartNet subscription. SmartNet is a way of connecting to remote GPS based stations that are placed on government buildings and in various places throughout Sydney, New South Wales, Australia and around the world. CauseNet, continuously operating reference stations, and they send GPS corrections to my GPS rover here, so therefore I don't actually have to worry about having a base station set up where I can't see it, and just means I only have to carry my one GPS and controller, which is really cool. But it relies on internet, and if internet is not brilliant, then what do? So you start off walking around here and you've got internet, and you're trying to get these readings on pegs and various features. You go down further into the scrub and you don't have any internet. So now I'm able to, with the help of a thing called RTK Bridging, which is part of SmartNet, I'm able to receive 10 minutes of corrections without being connected to the internet, which is a game changer for me because it will just allow me that extra 10 minutes to get something that I wouldn't normally be able to get. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is where we are currently at the moment. We've got 32 satellites with an accuracy of 28 millimeters 3D. Just change that. You can see 22 millimeters 1D, 14 millimeters 2D, and underneath these trees. And you can see here I have internet signal because you can see these orange lines there saying that I'm receiving internet corrections, and it knows where I am. So now you can see that the internet has been disconnected from the internet, and I have no internet on this controller at all. I'm deep down in the bush here, but thanks to RTK Bridging, SmartNet Plus, and this is through Leica. There would be the other instrument manufacturers, Trimble and Topcon, would have their own version. I can measure with sort of better than sub-meter accuracy. You can see the accuracy at the moment, it's not fantastic, but I've only got 10 satellites. However, I'm still connected, which means that if I need to get a shot on a peg or something that's really important, and I don't really care too much about the accuracy for the time being, I'm not lost. Even though it looks like I'm lost in the middle of nowhere here, I'm not I'm not completely stuffed because I can take measurements. So that's super cool. Being able to measure things when the internet signal is not fantastic. As you can see, I can make my way back up to the top of this hill where internet signal is good. So after 10 minutes, you've really got to turn around and go back up to where you were. But if you're well planned, you could race back up here, get internet connection, race back down in there, take a shot, and then come back and do it all again. So it'll keep you quite fit. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. That was a bit of a longer video today. Please like, subscribe to the channel. I'm the Global Surveyor. Have a great weekend.